dark. But well, this is our first dog for the year. It's getting pretty late on us, but we just had a cold front move in today. Temperatures got down in the low negative 20s last night, and right now it's pretty cold out. It's probably 8 below right now. So we knew tonight was gonna be a good night, so we snuck into one of our good spots and started rabbit distress, and then for some reason it sat up on the hill and started barking. I don't know what the deal is with that. And then you played well, you played.
I did a couple barks and howls at it first, and then just did a distress Coyote, and I seen it blow these cedar trees.
Yeah, it quit barking at us, and all of a sudden, it wasn't 2 minutes later, you seen it coming back on this hill.
I just muted the call and let it play out, cause
yeah, they run up this. There's an old road right here, and they run right up it. I don't know. It probably got within 80 yards of us.
Yeah.
So cold out, and I was breathing. My scope was freezing off. I had to keep cleaning that off. But hey, lighting ain't the greatest right now. But
no, I don't know what it's gonna look like coming in, but as far as footage wise, but
well,
did what we could.
First dog for the year, broke the ice. So yeah, hopefully we're gonna start hitting the coyotes pretty hard here. So hopefully we can get a few more coyotes down in the next couple weeks, and should be good. Well, gotta walk out of here, and I'm ready for a warm vehicle.
Yeah, nice shooting.